Hey, greetings to all. Thank you for coming by Doug's World Tour, our vending and amusement playlist channel. Today we are going to do a cold startup, I like to say, when we put power to a rebuilt bill validator, coin change machine for the first time. This should probably give you a hint on what model I'm working on. There was several with red front Lexans, but how about this? It's one of the bigger ones. So anyways, let me have you take a peek here before we get started. These have done so well for us, and of course these are known as the arcade model, floor model. It's an AC6000. Great machine. They still make new ones today, and this one here has been refurbished by us. Let's have you take a peek inside. This is not 100% done. We're waiting for T-handles, which we like to use the speed T-handles with the aggressive locking nuts. They only need to turn them about twice to get them to shut. So anyways, it's got a give you the grand tour here before we put power to it. It's got second generation green stripe hoppers. Everything on the inside now is new. Of course, the super universal board, and we use rebuilt MEI validators. These are the yellow labels, series 2700, actually a 2702. So let's do this, guys. I'm going to grab my cord, put power to the unit, grab a few bills here, and we'll see if we did everything 100% right the first time. Let's hope. Plug our microwave, so we don't have a wall plug quite close enough. So guys, when you plug these in, always have the on-off switch on the board turned off, and I checked that before I even started the camera. So anyways, let's go here. It's got a toggle switch, bottom right corner. Let's see if we can see the codes, just in case. No, came right up with the serial number. That is the, or should I say the software number, and that shows that there's $36 has gone through this board. At the factory they put in a 1, a 5, a 10, and a 20. Sometimes it shows up as $72, sometimes it's $36. I think it depends on who's working that day. So anyways, alright, so we have got two validators. I've got something to grab the money here. We'll watch it as it falls out of the well, I've got dollars here. Alright, let's try the first one. Here we go. Alright, 2 coins out of each hopper. Let's try our left validator. Try it with the door shut. Make sure they come out in our pay cup. Let's see where our camera's. Yep. Four coins. Another 4 coins. Okay, we should be setting on $40 now. We started at 36. Let's see. This gives a continuous count. Yep, $40. There we go. So this is what you get, guys. Like I said, everything inside is basically from our new kit, which you can buy separately. You don't have to buy a complete change machine. If you have this style of cabinet, you're in good shape because you save a little shipping, save a little freight. You can buy just the kit, and or you can buy a complete change machine like this from us. So anyways, don't they look great with a new Lexan on the front? I strongly encourage, guys, the better looking your vending machines, amusement games, bill changers are, the more confidence people have in them that they're newer. They're not going to steal their money. If you have a ratty old looking machine, covers peeled off the front, and you know, etc., etc., it's got graffiti on it, people will be less confident. So anyways, guys, I will put a link down below to the page where you can make a purchase of one of these. We have several in stock right now, and we certainly appreciate your viewership. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It helps our channel. For now, Doug at Doug's World Tour, out.